What's up, Tipsies? Okay, so maybe a quick video if I can keep myself from being long-winded. This is gonna be a video on my face, about my face. I have had some people say like, "Oh wow, you're glowing," or this, that, the other. Like what are you doing to your face? Well, of course, right now I would do this video and I'd have this right here. But my face is touch and go, and I have really bad adult acne that I have relatively under control. But I don't know. I think it's a combination of things. One, lighting. Could be the lighting. Oftentimes, like this lighting, noon lighting is not really good. Noon sunny, not that great. Usually morning or evening is better, or cloudy, because it's diffused and soft instead of harsh and right above. Anyway, also, so lighting, this phone, Google Pixel 2, just takes really great video and photos. Like that. Can't even help that. That's the camera right there. But before I got here, something that I used for my face to keep my acne under control was acne free. I really don't know. I've never done this before, so I don't know if it's in focus or not. But acne free, put it next to my face. I'm assuming it'll be in focus. And it's one of those 3-step ones, kind of like Proactive, but this actually works longer, or works most of the time, versus Proactive that works for a month and then stops. So purifying cleanser, renewing toner, and repair lotion. Comes in a 3-pack. I use this because this actually has an ingredient in it that most of the acne ones don't have. Most of the acne medicines at the store that you going to the store has salicylic, I think that's how you pronounce it, salicylic acid in it. All it does is burn the hell out of my face, and it turns like my dry areas turns to just as crusty as it wants to be, and then doesn't do that well for keeping away the acne. This has advanced micro benzoyl peroxide. Benzoyl peroxide is the key. That's the key, at least for this face. That's the key. Benzoyl peroxide. It works so well for me, except for right now. Anyway, but when I got here, I couldn't find acne free, and I couldn't find it on Amazon or anywhere. I couldn't order it to get it here. So I had to come up with something. So I went with, they call it the pharmacy. That's what they call them here. But basically your Walgreens and CVS and what is it, Dwayne Reed, isn't that in like the East Coast or whatever, like those kind of places, but they just call them pharmacies here. There's one that's called Boots, like boots, shoes that you wear, and they have their own that's supposed to keep your skin clear and healthy, and it is tea tree and witch hazel. So I'm using tea tree and witch hazel from Boots. See, that's Boots symbol, foaming face wash, and then their cleansing and toning lotion. So their toner. So I'm using those two things for that. And then the most important thing, just like in the acne free, the repair lotion that has continuous release benzoyl peroxide, this is usually like the most important thing of all of it. The moisturizer is the most important thing out of all of it for keeping my face clear. So this doesn't really have anything with, like, they have moisturizers and stuff, but it doesn't have benzoyl peroxide in it. If I don't have benzoyl peroxide, my face like loses its mind. So I went on Google and I searched like acne products with benzoyl peroxide in the UK, and I found Acnicide. Now it says gel on it. It's not a gel. It's a dang cream. I don't know if they consider cream gel, I don't know, but it's white and it's creamy. So this is what I use. Now, this stuff is amazing. Now, it's supposed to be like spot treatment. Well, once there's a spot, it's too late. I need it to, you know, like not be a problem. So I use this as a moisturizer. But benzoyl peroxide can be drying to your face. So I add jojoba oil. So I wash my face and then I use the toner with a little cotton round. And then after that, I dribble a little on my finger and go around my mouth, which is a dry spot. Then I dribble on my finger and I go around my eyes, which is dry spots, and you know, whatever, you don't want this on your eyeballs. So I need something around my eyes. And then I take like a dime size amount, put it on the middle of my hand. Then I take the jojoba oil and drop two drops on my hand, rub it together, rub it on my face so that, you know, it's not quite so drying and it becomes an acne fighting moisturizer. So that's what I do for my face. But, you know, nothing is 100%. Our hormones, being a female, nothing, you know, like, this is what happens. My chin has been having some issues too. Ugh. But anyway, you know, it is what it is. I hate that saying. Why would I even say it? You can't help it. You can't help it sometimes. You're still gonna have blemishes every now and again. That's life. Oh, always, morning and night. And recently I have slacked off when I am adamant about morning and night before bed. But always, if you slack off in the morning, it's not as bad. But at night, you better be washing your face. Wash your face. That's most important. Twice a day. Make it a habit. Do it. And then there's face stuff. Makeup. My makeup, my go-to makeup, the makeup that I love and have loved for years, and even when I didn't wear makeup a lot, and I would, you know, like, I wear makeup a little bit more now because I'm doing videos and I'm going on dates. So, you know, I'm wearing makeup a little bit more, but usually I am a once a month makeup wearer. Like, and sometimes even less than that. And foundation was something that I've just really started wearing often. It used to be like I would put on eyeliner, some mascara, and some lipstick and leave my face just bare of foundation. But in the last 15 years, it's probably been 15 years since I've used this. It's Bare Minerals. Bare Minerals. And so one of these, until recently, and I mean, even still, I still have a ton left, and I got this way before I got to Scotland, and I still have quite a bit left. But before that, one of these could last me like 5 years. Like, I just don't wear makeup. So anyway, Bare Minerals, and this one for me is Golden Dark. I just love I feel as if it makes it look like my skin is glowing. Like, my skin is just glowing. It's like, I love this. And then they recently came out with this called Bare Pro. Oh my God. It's a little, and this one is neutral dark, or no, sorry, dark neutral. It is basically, it's a concealer. It's a concealer in a little stick that's super easy to like drop in your purse, and supposedly it's like 16 hours. Man, this stuff is fantastic. When I don't feel like putting on the full face, which right now I have the full face. When I don't feel like putting this on, and I just want to cover up dark circles, because I have like, what is it called? Hyperpigmentation. Both my mom and myself have it, where, you know, you can have 8 hours of beauty sleep, you can have 10 hours, doesn't matter. We just always will have dark circles, and they get increasingly darker, and the area gets bigger the older we get. So this covers up those, that there. I have acne scars. For some reason, I have hyperpigmentation going down my mouth right there. So then you take a little brush, and then you blend it, and then you take the big brush, and then you blend it some more, and then you don't even have to put this on, and go on about your business, like whatever. And then as far as mascara goes, that's just, you know, whatever mascara you like. And then I use the Fenty Shimmer Stick. It's the Shimmer Stick highlighter in the color Blonde, which, you know, it's just gold. And I just whoosh, whoosh, a little here and a little under my brow, whoosh, whoosh, and then maybe like a little down my nose. Blend it with my hands and go on about my business. And then lipstick is just whatever works for you, whatever works for your color. For me, red, I always wanted to wear red, but was always afraid of it being too, like, just clashing with my skin. And I found with my skin, which I think is it gold undertones or red undertones? Then the red that I would use would have purple or blue undertones in the red. So I had to go with a purple or blue, and you can tell, you can hold them up together and you can see, because the other ones will have an orange undertone. That is not for me. That is not for me. I think if your skin has a yellow or whatever undertone, I don't even know, then you go with the orange. But yeah, no, orange is no for me. So I go with a blue or purplish undertone to my red, and that's what does it for me. Anyway, that's what I do to my face. This is probably a lot longer than I anticipated. Sorry for being long-winded, but that's what I do to my face. And I don't know what in the world I'm gonna do when I leave here and can't get this. Because this stuff, this tea tree and witch hazel together, what? It has been amazing. I don't know. Oh, and there is one more thing, because everybody keeps saying, girl, you're glowing. You're just glowing. I'm happy. I'm not happy every day. There could even be a full week where I'm not happy. But for the most part, I'm happy. You know, like, just knowing that I am doing it. Like, I'm living abroad without some company that I'm working for, that, you know, it's just me, that I'm doing it. And, you know, it's not like I can't do a whole ton of fun stuff, but I'm finding ways to do fun things within a tight budget. And I don't know, just the fact that I'm accomplishing this, going out on dates, you know, things like that, you know, meeting people, that kind of thing. I don't know. I'm just happy. So if I could bottle up the joy that I'm feeling right now, I would not send it to you. But yeah, take care of your skin and find your happy. Yeah. I think that's what it is. Take care of your skin and find your happy. I think that's what gives me my glow. So, anyway, that's it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up or a like or a love. Comment down below. Ask me more questions and I'll try and do more videos about them. I still need to do, my hair video, and I also need to do like planes, trains, or buses video, like what's best. I got a lot of videos that I need to do still that aren't just about dating, and I will try and get them to you. So, but comment down below with more things that you want me to talk about so that I can do that. Yeah, follow me or subscribe, Facebook or YouTube, and continue to follow me on this amazing journey. And as always, stay tipsy, my friends.